In this video, you'll learn how to create an email campaign using Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to set up and send your first email campaign effectively. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Once you are on the home page, locate the automation section in the navigation menu. This is typically found on the left side of the screen. Click on Automations to access the automation tools available. After accessing the automations page, look for the option to create a new campaign. You will notice a button that says Create Campaign or similar. Click on this button to proceed to the next step in the campaign creation process. Once you click on Create Campaign, a new screen will appear prompting you to select the type of campaign you want to create. Choose the type that suits your needs best, and then click on Begin to start setting up your campaign. Next, you will be directed to a setup page where you can configure various settings for your campaign. Here you will see an option labeled To. Click on this to specify your recipients for the email campaign. It is crucial to ensure you have a list of subscribers ready to send your email to. Once you are on the recipient selection page, you will see an option for all email subscribers. Click on this option to select all subscribers in your list. If your list is large, ensure that you have sufficient storage and that your internet connection is stable to avoid any delays during the process. After selecting your recipients, you will need to fill in the sender details. Click on the From section where you can specify the email address that will appear as the sender. Make sure to choose an address that your subscribers will recognize. Once you have selected the sender email address, click on Save to confirm your choice. This step is important as it ensures that your sender information is accurately recorded before proceeding. Next, navigate to the subject section. Click on this to enter the subject line for your email. A compelling subject line is essential for encouraging recipients to open your email. After entering your subject, click on Save to store this information. This action will help you keep track of your settings as you move forward with your campaign. Now it's time to specify the subject line details. Click on the subject line text box and type in an engaging title for your newsletter. This will give your recipients a clear idea of what to expect from your email. Once you have completed the subject line, click on Save again to ensure this information is recorded properly. This will allow you to keep your progress organized. Next, you will set the time for sending your campaign. Click on Send Time to choose whether you want to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. Consider your audience's time zone when making this decision. After selecting your send time, you will see an option to send now. Click on this option if you are ready to send the campaign right away. Be aware that if you choose to send immediately, ensure that everything is correct before proceeding. Once you click on Send Now, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your email is being sent. Wait for this confirmation to ensure that the process is complete. After the email has been sent, you can click on Save to finalize any additional settings you may have adjusted during the setup process. This step is critical for maintaining an accurate record of your campaign. You will then need to click Save again to ensure all your changes are stored properly. This will help prevent any loss of data regarding your campaign. Next, locate the Design Email option. Click on this to customize the look and feel of your email. This is an important step as a well-designed email can significantly impact engagement rates. Once in the design section, you will find an option to apply your chosen design. Click on this to implement the design you have selected for your email campaign. After applying the design, click on Save and Exit to ensure that all your design choices are saved. This will allow you to return to the main campaign settings without losing your progress. Finally, click on Send to dispatch your email campaign. Make sure to double check all details before finalizing the send. This is your last opportunity to verify that everything is in order before your email reaches your subscribers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.